Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Well, I can't see the graphs you're trying to match for y equals 3 to the x. Here's what you should be looking for. If x is 0, 3 to the 0 power is 1, so you're looking for 0, 1 to be on the graph. 3 to the first power is 3, so you're looking for 1, 3. 3 to the second would be 3 squared, or 9, so you're looking for 2, 9. In the negative direction, 3 to the negative first is 1 over 3 to the first, or 1/3. And I'll do one more. When x is -2, it would be 1 over 3 squared, or 1/9. So you're looking for an asymptote that is the x-axis, going through the point 0, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 9.